the smart explosive Turkish suicide drones. The Turkish company STM Defense has developed the so-called small drone swarm technology that are small groups of drones that work together, called kamikaze, to join the USA and China in this field. STM's Deputy General Manager Omar Korkut said, "The company is testing its drones and equipping them to operate in a swarm of 20 cargo aircraft. It works through the technology of communicating with each other using the swarm intelligence program and can be organized and shaped at a high speed, and it's distinguished by its lightness, speed and small size. Drones are becoming smaller and cheaper, but if they fly in swarms of large groups, they can become the most lethal weapon on the battlefield. Team of tanks may not withstand an attack by small drones, as they will attack them from all sides at the same moment. Thousands of small drones may launch a surprise attack on a warship. Even if that ship succeeds in shooting down many of these aircrafts, the rest will pierce the ship and destroy its radar systems, so that it cannot defend itself. Each aircraft from the swarm can transform information to the other through a precise information flow system that allows it to take a rapid protective reaction against the threats, as the threat is detected in a timely manner and the rest of the swarm element are notified. Through advanced artificial intelligence and applying the common mind system, the Turkish suicide kamikaze swarm can perform 4 consecutive military missions that include stationing 300 aircraft and organizing themselves within seconds without directly controlling them. Then the next mission begins, where the drones gather around the target at a distance of 100 meters to start checking it, and after monitoring and making sure of its identity, the drone heads directly towards the target and explodes on it. The surprise is that the drones swarm can change the way to accomplish the entire mission and change their locations in the case that any of them are lost, and this repositioning process doesn't require any manual human intervention. As for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, it can track moving targets as it has cameras with 10x optical zoom. Drones swarm works independently or with remote control. With one soldier, a drone attack can be launched in areas of asymmetric warfare or counter-terrorism. It neutralizes the soldiers and carry out reconnaissance and surveillance missions, where when the mission is completed or cancelled, it returns to the base to be recharged for the next mission. At the end, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.